Hey guys! We're going to be planting a garden for spring.
And in spring, it's a perfect time to plant a garden. And so what we're going to do is we're going to plant some scarlet kale and some purslane. And purslane has like a lemony taste to it, and it's really good in salad.
We're also going to be planting lanceolato kale and sorrel, and sorrel has a tingy taste to it. Last week we went to the community gardens and we tried this and it was really good. And so I'm really excited that we're going to be planting this in our garden.
So follow us, guys. This is our dog Dublin.
He has lots of knots and we cut them. I'm a groomer.
So follow me and then we'll go right to the garden. Okay, so first we're going to plant the sorrel. And we're going to plant it back here because it really likes the shade.
And you only need the holes about a half an inch. And we've been measuring with the shovel to get the same distance apart.
Okay, so now we are going to plant the seeds.
You need 5 to 6 seeds in each hole.
Next, we're going to plant our scarlet kale.
And we're going to put 3 to 4 seeds in each hole. And again, it's only going to be a half an inch deep. Okay, now we'll do it.
Next, we're going to plant our lanceolato kale.
And same as before, half an inch deep as the hole, and we're going to put 3 to 4 seeds in each hole.
Let's get started. Last but not least, we are going to plant our purslane.
Now these ones are way smaller than the kale. We are only going to do a 1/4 inch deep, and basically I just use my finger, and we're going to only put a couple of seeds, like a pinch of seeds in each hole.
Now that we have planted our seeds, the only thing left to do is water them. And don't forget to check back and see how our little seeds are growing up.
And we will be making salad recipes.
If you liked it, please comment below and tell your friends